Science 3.
Unit 2 Plant Life.
For the students. In this unit, the students will be able to A. Identify the different parts of a plant. B. Identify the growth pattern of plants from seeds. And C. Identify the similarities and differences between plants and animals.
New words. Shoot. Parts of a plant and their functions.
Your book. Bye. Good care to grow just like us. And just like our body, plants also have different body parts. We do different kinds of work with different parts of our body. In the same way, the different parts of a plant have their own work to do. Like we have head, trunk, and limbs, they also have different body parts. The part of this plant you are... Yes, I do. They are the root.
Unit 3 Animal Life. Birds and their food habits.
Good morning, Mom.
Good morning, Mom.